Here's a 2002 Bluebird GMC school bus. Take a little tour of it. You have your driver's area, door, mirrors, shifter, parking brake, hazard flashers, tachometer, speedometers. Got your fans, dome lights, heating controls, crossing arm cancel, your master flasher, and your amber switch. Fan up there. Bluebird. The interior of the bus has a red, sort of burgundy interior. Emergency door in the rear, 2 roof hatches up top, 1 in the front and 1 in the rear. This is a really nice Bluebird GMC. One of the nicest I've seen, actually. Here. It's a really good looking bus. Has some ICs over there. Oh yeah, good looking. 03 model Bluebird GMC school bus. You can tell it's an 03 because that's how they numbered the bus by model year. Yep, 2003 Bluebird GMC. That's it.